And welcome back to Ashley You Life. In today's class, we're going to talk about enhancing workout makeup. So I've showed you how to do workout makeup. I've showed you how to touch up workout makeup, but I've only ever just talked about how to enhance workout makeup. I've never actually shown you. So if getting makeup and hair ready in about 10 minutes is something you're interested in, you're going to want to watch this. Let me rewind to yesterday though, because being ready in 10 minutes with hair and makeup starts from a good prepping from the day before and setting yourself up for success. So yesterday was a wash my hair kind of day, and so today is day 2 hair, but before I went to bed last night, I pineappled my hair, which if you don't know what that is, go ahead and click the link and catch up, because you too can have fresh day 2 hair like me. And then this morning when I woke up, I used the dry shampoo trick on my hair so that when I work out, my hair doesn't get so super sweaty. So I did work out and I put on workout makeup. And then if I'm going to go do errands, as I'm driving away, I usually pull my hair out of its high bun that I worked out in, put it in a low bun, and then I roll down all the windows so that my hair can air dry as much as possible. So then usually by the time I drive to wherever I'm going, whether it's Trader Joe's or Costco or something like that, usually I've stopped sweating, I've kind of calmed down, and my hair is pretty dry. And that's when I can touch up my workout makeup and then make my hair presentable. Now, normally when I touch up my workout makeup, I just touch it up with a little translucent powder. This is just a little e.l.f. translucent powder in ivory that I think is like $1, and I just have an e.l.f. brush because they don't cost much, so if I lose it, it doesn't matter, but I just keep these two things in my purse at all times. And if you're not going to work out and you're just going to go run errands, feel free to use more concealer than normal. I just don't like to put full foundation on my face if I'm just going to be running errands. But right now we're talking about enhancing workout makeup, so just add some concealer. I always feel like I just get a little red under my nose, so let's clean that up. And then I just try to stay away from the areas that have the residual makeup. Like I have the residual eyeshadow, I have the residual blush. So I don't want to cover that with the concealer that I'm enhancing the workout makeup with. I still want the colors to shine through. Now I'm just going to take the little translucent powder that I have and go over the places that I added concealer, but to be careful not to go over where I have the residual color. I mean, already, how much better does my face look with just a little bit of workout makeup touch-up? So if you don't go work out though, you obviously don't need to touch up your makeup. You can start off like this. But what we're talking about is enhancing workout makeup. So let's enhance. 3 real things that I do to enhance workout makeup. We've already done one of them, which is add just a little more concealer than you normally would. The second thing that I do is lashes. After I work out, I normally do go run errands, but I don't normally add lashes. I usually just touch up workout makeup and just deal with it. But if I was just going to be running errands and didn't want to do a lot of makeup, I definitely wouldn't leave the house without my lashes. But if you're not a lash girl, don't worry about it. Just add some mascara. You just need something to define the eye. But also, if you want to become a lash girl, I think that's awesome. You should do it. Just watch my classes. I have a bunch of classes on how to do lashes, which lashes to buy. Just go to the playlist and look up lashes 411 and it'll give you like all the information that you need to become a lash girl. I mean, look what a difference it makes in your overall look. And it took me what, like 10-15 seconds? Because once you become good at lashes, it's just easy to do. It just takes practice, like anything else. Add some mascara, which I always keep in my purse too. Handy dandy voluminous mascara from L'Oreal. I just love it. What's the difference? My face just looks so much more put together over here, yet I've done nothing but add lashes and mascara and just a little extra concealer, but nothing else is on my face besides workout makeup. Now, the third and last thing you can do to enhance your workout makeup is to add a lip color. Now, you can go with something more neutral, or you could do something that's a little more bold, and it's going to make it appear that you've done more for your makeup than you have. Let's do something a little bit more bold since we are talking about enhancing workout makeup. This was NYX Liquid Suede and Crushed, and then I'm going to go in with my little lipstick trick that I like, and I use e.l.f.'s eyeshadow. This is Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in rose gold, and I just put it on top. And it's still bold, but it like tones it down a bit. If you're a little scared to wear like dark colors or bold colors, this is a really good way to get into it because it mutes it for you. So might want to give that a try. And this is like, I think this is $3. It's nothing. And there you have it, enhanced workout makeup. Now, the last thing to help you get ready in 10 minutes is your hair, obviously. So because I pan-upped my hair last night, it stayed pretty fresh, and because I let it air dry after working out as I drove to where I was going, it's pretty good to go, I gotta say. I mean, would you have guessed that I just worked out super hard right now? Probably not. This is also a great look if you're not going to go work out and you just want to go out and do errands or grab a quick lunch with friends or something. Say I'm not on day 2 hair, maybe I'm day 3 hair, so it's not going to look as awesome. I might just like pull it into like a cute low messy bun and just pull some front pieces out like that. Or if I'm feeling like really fun and crazy, I might do like a super fun half top bun, which I always think looks so cute on people. And it's a way to make it look like you tried when you did it. See? It's so cute. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. But I hope this has been super helpful to show you that you can get ready in 10 minutes, and I've also now shown you how you can enhance workout makeup instead of just talking about it. This is how you would do it. And this is what I do if I am in a rush or I just don't feel like doing a lot of makeup. Fake it till you make it. No one will ever know it only took you about 10 minutes to pull yourself together. I gotta go run my errands, so make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Love this class. Please do make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell next to it so you stay up to date on all the fun. I do hair, makeup, and life hacks weekly. See you soon. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm in like a totally different car than normal. I'm in Matt's car because it's making funny noises. Can you hear that? It's kind of making like a little like high-pitched noise. So I'm being a nice wifey and going to get his car looked at for him, and he has my car. But I needed to get my errands done first because I don't know how long I'm going to sit there while the car gets worked on. So I got to get ready. I'm doing a girls' night at my house tonight. I'm so excited. We're going to do cheese fondue, and so I have everything that I need. I just needed pretzel bread, and Costco didn't have any pretzel bread, so I needed to stop at a store to get pretzel bread because pretzel bread is the bomb.com. We're also going to attempt to make a butterbeer like from Harry Potter Land at Universal Studios because we went maybe a month ago now and we had the butterbeer there. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So we thought it would be a fun little sweet treat to have. So I've talked about doing like a how-to fondue class because I really think that we have it locked down on how to do fondue, like the best cheeses and the best dippers for the cheese. So if that's something you want to see, let me know in the comments below.